guys, I am Preeti and you're watching this video on why is this person, it can be a male or a female, why is this person spying on you. Okay, so in this video we are going to check why somebody is spying on you, and this somebody can be anybody for you. It can be either your friend or your enemy or somebody who you are in love with or anybody else. Okay, so this is somebody for whom we are going to do a reading, and I will be describing to you what this person is like and why they are spying on you. So you will be able to know the reason and also who is spying on you. So yeah, how do you have to select the options? I have 4 different options in this video, and in just a little while I'll be placing all the 4 options in a clip so that you can concentrate and focus on all the options and select whichever option you feel is right. How you have to select the option? You have to focus on all the 4 options and select one option that pulls your attention, that grabs your attention. Okay, so yes, so that is how you have to choose. So now I believe that you have selected your option. So just in case if you have selected the option number 1, this is a nice little purse, coin purse. So let's get started with the reading. Why is this person spying on you? Okay, so this is a person who is spying on you. This person has some taste, this person has a taste for people, and before they make a change, this person wants to see whether you are reliable or not. Before they make a change, or before they make the proposal, or they might be wanting to make the proposal to get married with you, to get committed with you, and before making that proposal they just want to see whether you are fit for them or not. And I do feel this, that they want to tame you down. And just tame, and so that you can behave according to how they want. So they are spying on you. Okay, and in order that they can actually spy on you, they can actually not spy on you, in order that they can tame you, they are watching upon you. They are actually spying upon you to see your patterns, to see your behavior. And yeah, so this is what the cards are saying. This is actually the star card. I know that this is a little bit different than the star card, but yes, this card does show that somebody, you can see that this bird is trying to watch over somebody. Okay, and then comes this, this is like a change. So this person is spying on you before bringing on the change, because they plan to tame you. You can see that this is the card for taming. This person is just like treated like an animal, and this person is taming down this person. Or it can be that they are like this animal, they want to be tamed, and they feel whether you are right person that can tame them or not. So this is why they are spying on you. Okay, I know this is like really funny. I did not expect anything like this, but yes, whatever it is. See, I do feel that there is some kind of control that this person wants to control you in a certain way. This person wants to tame you in a certain way, or it can be otherwise, that you are very controlling, you want to tame them down, which is why they are spying on you. That why is it the reason that you are wanting this. So that is one thing. This card also shows, see, this is a ram, and it is holding a sword. It's that they are like preparing for something. And preparing for what? This is, see, like you can see that this lady is like hiding something. It's like holding something tightly between her palms. So maybe this shows a kind of possessiveness. This shows a kind of caring nature. I know, somehow this taming word is like coming very closely into my mind. And taming is nowhere close to being possessive, nowhere close to being caring. Yeah, possessiveness can be termed as taming in certain way, because there are certain people who are more possessive than actually anybody should be. So yeah, that is there. See, again these cards are telling the same thing. This person is in love with you, and this person, before they make any stronger decisions, before they make any changes, they want to know whether you are tameable or not. So this also points out to the fact that this person who is spying on you can be your spouse already, who is either married to you or who is either committed to you, and this person wants to know whether you are dependable or not. So that is why they are spying on you, okay? Or if they are married before, and maybe your relationship might be on the verge of a breakup, and they just want to make sure that everything is all right. They just want to make sure whether it is really worth breaking up or not, whether they will be able to tame you or not. This is what they are trying to see. Okay, so that is all what is coming to me as the option for the card number 1. I want you that you tell me in the comments whether you feel how this reading has helped you, how much does this resonate with you. Okay, because I would like to know that. So yeah, so this is the reading for you. Let me know in the comments how did you like it. Yeah, so let's move on to the next option. So just in case if you chose this option, this is a neon colored eraser. So let's say what is happening. This person, why is this person trying to tame you? Okay. Okay. See, for this reason, for this option, I feel that this person wants to tame you so that you can start believing in your religion. Okay, and looking at this person, it appears that this is an elderly person, or this person can be either of your parents, your elders, your grandparents, or it can be a priest or somebody who you see at the church. Okay, and this person wants to tame you. This person wants to spy you. This person wants to spy on you whether you believe in religion or not, or whether you are following the religion and all the teachings that they have taught you well or not. Okay, now I know I have been aware that there are certain religious leaders not exactly leaders, but there are certain religious teachers who try to force upon a religion the religious belief that anybody should be believing. Now I don't feel that is right. Okay, it's not right for any religion. Okay, I don't say that only a certain religion is doing it. I feel somewhere every religion there has a teacher, and that teacher tries to force upon the learnings of that religion onto the people of their religion. Okay, and moreover I feel this is like an elderly person and a priest kind of person who is trying to teach. It can be a male or a female, because here we also have the priestess. Okay, so yeah, so that is there. And yeah, so this person wants to know whether you are totally accepting the religious faith that is taught to you, whether you're totally applying the knowledge that is taught to you. And in this case, I do feel that you may have either of these two behaviors. Either you might be a very sinful person, a person who follows the bad path, doesn't believe in God, and so that can be one type of person. This next person is you are a person who is very carefree. You don't care about going regularly to the church or the temple, but still you may be a good person at heart. And yeah, it can be either of these two cases. And the thing that this person wants to make sure, they don't want you to be a sinner, which is why they are spying on you. Okay, and yeah, the next thing I would like to say is, they want that you believe in what they are teaching you. You believe in the religion that they are trying to teach you. And I don't know whether it is right or wrong, because there are some different scenarios where this actually could be right. and there are certain scenarios where this is totally wrong. So I don't know what your scenario is, so I'm not judging anything here. We are just trying to see what kind of why this person is spying on you. Okay, the next thing is this person is also trying to spy on you. I do see the Lovers card, and this person may be trying to spy on you because you may be in love with somebody and they just want to spy on you, that you don't get into with the wrong person. Okay, so in this case it can be that you might be in love with a person from a different religion. I know sometimes it is difficult for people in the family to accept this, and I cannot say whether you should go ahead or not. This is not a reading for that. Here we are saying why this person is trying to spy on you. Okay, so we are going to stick to the subject. So it does say that you may be in contact with a person who is from a different religion or who is totally different from what you are brought up. The way you are brought up, your culture and everything, it's totally different from what the other person's belief system or faith is, which is why this person is spying on you, so that you don't get into the wrong stuff, you don't get into the wrong person. Okay, and this person wants to believe, they want you to believe what they are saying is true. Okay, now I know that this is a little bit controversial, because the person who wants to make you believe something, they may be right. Yeah, they may be actually right, which might be good for you, and they may also be wrong, which might not be good for you. But the thing is, just because we are seeing a reading for a lot of people in this reading, we are not going to see, okay, what kind of stuff they want you to believe in. Okay, so even, yeah, let's say just in that case, if you want me to see that what they want you to believe in. Okay, so this is like, what they want to believe in is, it's just their belief that you should be following the path of your religion, you should be following whatever they are teaching. Okay, they don't have any bad mentality, but yes, whatever they might be teaching, you may or may not be buying onto their truth. Okay, so yeah, so this is the reading for you, and let me know in the comments how does this reading resonate with you. Okay, and yes, so this is actually where somebody is trying to force their belief system upon you, and maybe you are not listening to them, which is why they are spying on you. Okay, so I know this is like a very funny reason to spy upon. I never imagined that this might turn up in a reading. Whatever. Okay, let's go ahead. Just in case if you have chosen this option, then let's see what the cards have to say. Okay, why is this person spying on you? So this person is spying upon you. I do feel that you have some property, and you have some property or you have some land, which according to this person is like a lot. Also, this person sees that you celebrate a lot. Okay, so this person is trying to spy upon you. Now, whenever something like this comes up, it usually feels that this person might be having some bad intentions. For now, I cannot see any bad intentions in this person. Yes, this person is spying upon you because they feel that you have a lot of money, you party a lot, means you must be having a lot of money. So this is what they feel. And yeah, so the clear instinct of this person, why they are spying is they might be interested in the money that you have, which is why they are spying on you. The one thing. The next thing I feel is, somehow, they a very strange way, I feel that this person has some love for the life that you have, the lifestyle that you have. This person has a love for it, which is why they just go ahead and keep following you. They just try to keep on spying you. Yeah, they do follow you also. Okay, they follow you and spy upon you, where you go, whom you meet. So Yeah, the lifestyle that you have is what is attracting this person. So yes, so this is the thing that they are trying to spy. And whatever they see in your lifestyle, whatever they see in your lifestyle, you can see this person is seeing only flowers. So whenever they see you, they feel that you are very happy, everything around you is like full of happiness, you are very rich, and maybe not exactly rich, but yeah, even richness also, but the lifestyle, especially the lifestyle, is what is attracting this person. They feel that everything around you is nice and beautiful, okay, and that is because of your lifestyle, that is because of the resources that you have, okay. Don't misunderstand this as love, okay. And this is why this person feels that, to be around you, they actually, the lifestyle that you have, this lifestyle is attractive for them. And looking at this lifestyle, they highly feel that your life is full of happiness, okay. Now, looking at all of these cards, it does feel that, they feel that your life is full of happiness. And even which I wish for you that it's good that if your lifestyle is full of happiness. But yes, let me tell you, on the other end, on your side, you may know how your life is, okay. You may not have the perfect life, you may also have your problems, but this person, from the perspective that they are seeing, they are just seeing the lifestyle, you may be having a huge house, or you may be having an office that is like very impressive and nice and big, or you may be visiting a building that is nice and huge, okay, which they really like. So they try to spy upon you, and they feel that you are kind of, they feel your life is beautiful, okay. They do feel that your life is beautiful. And also, in a strange way, I feel that they might also be attracted towards your body, towards the way you look. Yeah, okay. Again, I'm telling this, don't mistake this as love, okay. Don't take this as love. This is not love. This is actually a kind of fascination that this person is having for you, and so they just feel like spying on you, okay. And yeah, so this is it what the cards are saying. Let me know in the comments, how do you like this reading? And yeah, so let's go ahead. Okay, so just in case if you have chosen this option, then let's see what the cards have to say. So here the cards say this person is trying to spy on you because somehow I feel this person might be your employer. This person might be wanting to employ you, which is why they are spying on you, okay. So you may be a potential person who can be employed, which is why they are spying on you. Or you may be somebody else, not just employment. This can be even something else. You may be assigned a duty. Somebody might be wanting to assign you with a duty, and in order to see whether you are eligible or not to follow that duty, they are trying to spy on you, okay. And also I feel that in their eyes, you are actually a very positive person. You are like a winner, and maybe they might be very tempted to offering you the role that they want to give you, okay. And I also feel that this person feels you have all the abilities that they need for the position or for the task that they want to assign you. And this already feels like as if it is done, okay. It already feels, because here I can also see this image of the sun, and it might be the case that you might have already begun to experience that this person has already assigned you something, okay. And just in case if they have already assigned you, still they are spying on you just to see whether you are taking the right steps or not, okay. one more thing is, yeah, they also want to see whether whatever instructions they are giving you, you're following or not. This is why they are spying on you. And yeah, so these are the things that this person wants you. One more thing I see here is the card for, yeah, this it does shows the card for Temperance. And this card actually feels that somehow, not from the other cards, but from this card, I feel that this person feels that you are very short tempered, or you have a temper that might not suit the role that they want to give you, or they have already given you, which is why, in order that they see whether your temper does not exceed, they are trying to spy on you. Okay, yeah, it does show big time. And emotionally, yeah, see, this card does show that somehow you may be very emotional person who gets very attached to people. You get very disturbed if something wrong happens. And in general, you expect perfection. Okay, either you expect perfection, or either that person who is spying on you, they're expecting perfection from you, emotional perfection from you, and which you may or may not have. Okay, so this is also the reason they are spying on you. And yeah, so this is the reading. I hope that you like this reading. And this also shows, that your mind, according to this person, your mind is very wavering, and you never stay steady on one task. Maybe that might actually be the case. You may have done some things like that, but because of that, this person feels that they just need to keep an eye on you. They want to spy on you, so that they make sure that you don't waver, your mind doesn't waver. Okay, so yes, so that is for the Temperance thing, the keeping the mind in balance, that is really important. Plus also keeping the mind in balance, so that you don't go off the path, and keeping the emotions in balance, so that you don't get too positive and take wrong decisions. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading that is coming, and I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.